everyone, this is Danica from Thompson. Today I would like to introduce our cannabis extraction and distillation process for you. This is iron storage tank with a jacket layer. This is the centrifuge extractor for extraction process. This is a storage tank. This is a filter, multi-filter, and for filtration process. This is a single layer tank. This is our resin film evaporator with high efficiency ethanol recovery rate. And this is our decarboxylation reactor. This is important process distillation. We call it wide film molecular distillation. And final step is our crystallization reactor for crystal. Any interesting or any question, welcome to contact me. Remember me, I'm Danica.